In this video, I'll detail how to enable or disable color palette on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy device and you want to change your app icon, then you can easily turn on color palette for this. If you want to revert it, you can easily turn off color palette for this. So here basically, I'll walk you through how you can use or turn on or turn off color palette on Samsung Galaxy device. If I don't know this video, if you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And the first thing you want to do here is go to your Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on wallpaper and style, then locate color palette and click on that. Turn on color palette and click apply. So once you turn on color palette and click apply, this is going to only affect some of the application on your iPhone, and this is not going to affect the app icon. See that? Now to apply color palette to your Samsung phone app icon, click on color palette, scroll down and click on apply palette to app icons and then click on apply. So once you hit the apply button, come back. Then you should see the palette applied to your Samsung phone apps icon. See that? Now to disable color palette on your Samsung Galaxy device, the process is the same. Just go back to your Samsung phone settings. And on the settings page, scroll down. Click on wallpaper and style. Then locate color palette. Scroll down, disable apply palette to apps icon. And then turn off color palette. Once that is done, click on the apply button. And once you hit the apply button, this is going to disable the color palette on your Samsung Galaxy device. So that's how to disable or turn on color palette on Samsung Galaxy phone. If you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.